Yo, what's up, gamers? Leo here, and today we're gonna be making a video called Duck Life Treasure Hunt. And I'm making my guy ready because I messed up the video first time. Yeah. Well, also, okay, I think I'm already done. What do next? Oh yeah, and this week is Halloween, so I need to dress up as scary as that I can inside here. I mean, not that scary, because it's not. That's my costume. And I had to do my name. Well, now that duck have been fired, they say now that the evil fire duck has been defeated. The volcano has claimed down, and the town has returned to normal. One more said that there is something it's hiding inside that golden place in the volcano cave. Adventurers from around the world have came to explore the wonderful land of the rainbow. And you are one of them to have what it takes. Yeah, I gotta go to a rainbow. Welcome, Leo. Let me show you around the autumn. This is your camp where items to find the cave will be here. We have a blah 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 shop around the town. I'm sure you find something helpful for your attempt for your poop. Lots of treasures are inside the cave. Let's see how you can find one. You can find one. Good luck. There's an egg. Okay, what's that? No. I can't control my gun. I don't know what to do. Okay, see, I have to be a level 5. Oh. So I have to be a level 5 for that. Well, I guess I have to do something. Who's that bird? I want to talk to the egg. Oh. The egg is dead. Well, I guess I need to hunt some treasure and probably inside this place. Oh. Welcome. Please look around and just put the money here. I don't have no money. Probably not this place. It's to pay you for that place. Oh. What the? Use it to super jetpack. I don't kind of goals. How do I go? I'm following eggs on my butt. Press this to fly. This is my A-step waist. Oh, that's my best score. I really suck at this game already. This is my first time. What's that? Visit my shop. No, I want to go back. It's the same thing. Okay. Never mind. Okay, let's try it one more time. Hopefully we will do better now. Here we go. and just stay flying, stay flying. Okay, I got my high score now. Oh, now I know. Oh, no. Treasure. Yes, I found the first treasure, I think. No, I'm just clicking random buttons. I'm just tapping. That's it. You can get me. You're done me. Oh, I'm doing good. I'm gonna find the autumn. Oh, no. Okay. I really need the money. That's it. Give me that money. Oh, not that key. And that treasure and that thing. Where's we getting money? Never mind. What? Where is that? Oh, never mind. Yeah, still level up. Sweet. Well, guys, that's it for today. And leave a like if you like this video. And click the bell button. So you could tell me what happens if I get that treasure. So goodbye, gamers.